Hi everyone, this is Malvika from AIV. In today's video, I'll be giving the demo of how can we add and format legend in a pyramid chart. So let's get started. For adding a legend in a pyramid chart, we'll go to the charts component of the widget panel and then we'll go to the option others, and in others we'll go to pyramid, and then we'll select the data set over here. And we'll be selecting the sales.cds as a data set. In category axis, we'll select country. Value column will be selecting extended price, and aggregation will be selecting sum. And now we'll go to formatting. And in formatting, we'll go to legend. And in legend properties, we'll click on enable legend, and you'll be able to see that once I click on enable legend, you'll be able to see that the legend has appeared over here. Now we'll be making different changes to this legend. I'll be showing you how. Now legend alignment property, we can set a particular alignment for the legend. Like we can keep it, here it is left, we can keep it center like this. We can keep it right like this. Now we can also change the position of the legend, like we can keep it top, we can keep it bottom, we can keep it right, and we can keep it top. You can also increase the width of the legend. You'll see that the legend is becoming wider, or you can also increase the height of the legend. You'll see that the legend is becoming a little taller. Now we have another option, that is inherit property from series. Here we have enabled the markers. Now these are the markers. Now if I disable it, you'll be able to see the markers are not there. Then we have the legend font properties. Now here we can make changes to the font of the legend, like we can choose a particular font family, like I'll mention Times New Roman, and you'll be able to see that the font family has changed. You can increase the font size, you can increase the font weight, like you can make it bold, you can make it bolder. Then we have the legend background. You can change the legend background as well. Like I'll give it a red color like this. And you can increase or decrease the opacity of the background color also like this. Then we have the legend markers. Now legend markers are the same, these symbols. Now if we disable them, you'll be able to see the markers are not there. If I enable them, you'll see the markers have appeared, and you can accordingly increase the height of the markers and increase or decrease the width of the marker with these options, and save and exit. So this is how we can add and format legend in a pyramid chart. I hope you liked my today's video. If you liked it, you can like, share, subscribe, and comment in the section below. If you have any specific queries or questions, you can write to us at support@aivhub.com, or you can also visit our website, that is www.aivhub.com. Thank you.